welcome to my channel. So today I'll share two DIY wall hangings using straw and wool. So for the first wall hanging you require wool, straw and paper cup. I am removing the base of the paper cup using paper cutter. Stick straw around paper cup using Fevicol.
Hold up. If you turn around, you gon' face the lid. Shooting from above, go to sleep, you're dead.
Cut extra part of the straw, and while you're cutting, hold straw tight from the other end. So now I'll paint straw using acrylic colors using contrasting shade red and green. I had made some pom-poms using red and green wool, and I'm going to hang them using thread and needle. For the second wall hanging, take 2 sets of 7 to 8 straw, cut the rotating part if any, stick all of them together using Fevicol.
Hold up. If you turn around, you gon' face the lid. Shooting from above, go to sleep, you're dead.
Paint both the sets in two contrasting shades like dark blue and light blue. And now I'll stick the two sets in the shape of heart using Fevicol. I made these 3 tassels in contrasting shade, and I'll hang these using thread and sellotape. After you hang all the 3 tassels, make a loop using thread and stick at the back using sellotape. So this completes my video. I really hope that you liked it, and if you do give it a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section what all videos you want me to post, and if you try any of my DIY, do share pictures with me on my Instagram account. Link will be in the description box. Thank you for watching, and do subscribe to my channel. Do hit notification bell icon so that you get notified